Nuane foda kudus nganga ay kauda asyute kauda nganga Aba wasidaya mama ay nganga tai watishkinga Nuane foda kudus nganga ay kauda
Guys, I've been kidnapped. Oh, held hostage. Send ransom. No, I'm joking. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Noella here, and your girl is being featured in some TV show. I don't know what's up with this makeup. I'm not feeling it, or is the lighting? Yeah, we are just here to stop. They're getting coffee. Somebody's on smoking break. Let me show. Oh my! Let me show you. What is this? You are in a gas station, petrol station. I'm Kenyan. Which gas? Gas is for cooking. Yeah, actually, as I said, I'm being featured in a TV show. It's about traveling within Lithuania. Apparently, the lady was telling me, the producer, she's like, you know, Lithuanians don't really know Lithuania. So we are kinda, they have this show where they travel around, but now to make it a bit more interesting, they want to foreigners. They are trying to bring foreigners to have another perspective, which is awesome. And yeah, I don't know where we are going, to be honest. I was just told what to dress, what to expect, but I don't know. And but I've been to Lithuania in a lot of places actually for a foreigner, but she told me that's not the place, so it's a different place. So I am excited. I'm seeing a lot of stuff, so I don't know. I'm not a morning person. Like, I don't like to speak in the morning, but it's morning right now. It's 9 a.m. so maybe that's why I'm seeing a lot of souls. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's go. Yeah, smoke break. Gosh, Lithuania is beautiful. Like, look at this. This looks like Kenya, honestly, and especially Uganda. When you're driving from Malaba to Kampala, I can't remember the name of the forest. Lugira something. Lugira. We're going to pass through Majike or no?
No. But the route is somewhere is around.
Okay. No. Gosh, sun. Camera focus.
Jo, reikės lūpas gal pasidažyti.
Oh.
Sveiki, gyvi. Malonu labai matyti.
Gintarė Sakalauskienė, muziejaus direktorė.
Malonu.
Gintarė.
Malonu, Inga. Jo, kalbėjom su jumis, ne? Tikrai. Koks planas? Planas dabar eiti lūpas pasidažyti, o po to jau žiūrėt. Ar jūs kalbinsim, ar eisim vandens? Noella turi savo
Yeah.
Good news. Yeah. How is this the name of
Noella in life. In life.
In life. Žodžiu, ir viskas apie Lietuvą. Kaip jaučiasi, kaip ką? Yes? How you feeling? How you live here?
That's it, gracias.
3.5. 3
What is akmenu?
Akmenu.
What is akmenu?
Akmenu, that means stones.
Oh, okay.
So this is the main heritage of this part of Lithuania. These stones.
Awesome.
Nes pas mus vyksta edukacija, plauna aukso kaip tik. Ir dar kokia 10-15 minučių klauso. Tai jisai pafilmuoja. Tai nebuvo nei vieno prieštaraujančio pafilmuoti.
Lithuania, you said that you like it because not so many people.
Yeah, no traffic jam.
Mosėtis ypatingai, oras gražus. Dažo galvoju 2 kartus išrinktas kaip gražiausias apskrities miestelis, kaip Klaipėdos apskrities miestelis. 2 kartus, man atrodo.
The new one collection.
Ah, wow. This is so beautiful. Which one is this? 56?
Pirit.
56.
Piritas.
Ah. Wow.
Brangakmeniai čia jau. Brangakmeniai. Meteoritai, brangakmeniai.
We'll stand here.
Okay.
You can, for example, stand here. And over here. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Or
So basically this is coming from the body.
yes.
Apparently the guy who started this museum was a doctor. So that is how the idea came about, to bring the gallstones, kidney stones, all those to the museum. Quite very interesting. I'm so glad to be here.
Aš jau bijau, nes tai buvo
Samogitian pancake. Let's test. Yum, yummy.
It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.
Atvike Lietuva Salesti prasideda nuo Skodas. Ačiū.
Cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you.
Limestone with fossil shells. Labai įdomu.
Jūs sėdite ant akmens ir nugarė.
Kaip graži dienos?
Gražios dienos.
Aha.
Tiesa, aš galvojau, kad tu fotkinė, o pasirodo filmuoji, aš kaip turinė bandau, žinai. TV show.
Mike,
Oh no, he was right there.
I don't even know. Greetings from Skodas.
Skodas, like
2 kilometers from Latvia. Yeah. We're about to have lunch. Finally, people are hungry.
Hungry and angry. No. You're kidding. Kidding.
Yes. It's not mine. Will there be kept a donor?
You won't get Keptadona? No.
I'm sad.
There would be some special
Something more
things.
interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll eat Keptadona in Kaunas.
You like?
I love. Oh my god, it's the best thing.
Really?
Oh, I love Keptadona.
But you
It's
know?
not very healthy, but it's the best. Achoo.
Хорошо. Wait more.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. We should be outside.
Mano vyras labai mandagus, jis laik sveikina.
Kur?
Kur?
Čia.
Čia? Okay. Viskas gerai. Gal kamera čia, tad pasakyk, kad mes iš šonų sėdėsim. Bus liuks. Ačiū. Labai atsiprašau, sakykit, gal būtų galima gar... Aš sutvarkys. Okay. He will take care of us. Okay. He will take care of us.
The English song. I'll take care of you by Rihanna.
But yeah, oh, I didn't know. But maybe I
care.
Here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you.
Yes, would you like some
Please, dance.
dance?
What do I believe?
Executor.
Palaukit, dar kol kas neneškit, gerai.
Taip, trupučiuką gerai. Tai pažiūrėsim kadrą geresnį. Now we'll eat. Meat.
Yes.
Maybe, I don't know. Aš būsiu budelis. Labai piktas budelis. Ne meat.
Bye, hello.
I feel good, I don't know why.
Food.
Maybe. And also good company.
Yeah. So with Kali, you went to Rokiškis?
Yeah, with Kali we went to Rokiškis. And he also likes Keptadona. He's crazy about that.
No foreigner I know does not like. You eat, you're hooked.
Šitie atrodo, kas čia ką reiškia šitie.
Nu, čia tokia kaip budelė tokia nagai.
Na taip, atspėjo vyras. Ačiū labai. apie patį budelį, kas čia per daiktas toks buvo?
Dabar ar iš tikrųjų reikia tą legendą pasakoti, ar jie labai sutrumpinta, ar kaip čia?
Gal sutrumpintai papasakokit, nes jeigu labai ilgai pasakoti...
Ne to, kad labai ilgai, bet jie vieta.
Taip, teisingai. Labai gerai.
O jeigu aš dabar jie visą papasakosiu,
nebus daug ko važiuoti.
tai ko bevažiuosi?
Teisybė, gerai. O jūs kalbėsite apie budelį?
Aš pati ir sukūriau tą legendą. Rimtai.
Nejuokauju nei kiek.
Nejuokauju nei kiek. Nes aš...
Motobolas.
Let's see. I can't sit. I will do like a lady.
Oh, it looks... Hello. Taigi, gerbiami žiūrovai, norim pasakyti, kad esame seniausioje vietoje Lietuvoje. Būtent nuo čia prasidėjo Lietuva. Tai va, from here started Lithuania. Labai džiaugiuosi, kad Naela kartu ir viską mato, visus tos ritualus ir because I don't pay enough money. Look at me. To paddle board, but I don't think you will see this video because I don't have anything unless you go go watching TV3. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm so cold. You can hear my voice. Pay actors what they deserve. It's not easy. I'm not one, but being on these shoots, hey God. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, and go to TV3 and watch the episode I've been featured on. It's funny, but I wanna cry. It's a work. Okay, and let me go. So guys, thank you for watching. Visit Lithuania. This is Quarters, Barshtiu, and you are welcome. Great work from the local artisans. I've had such a good time, and now I am closing the vlog. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.